Hello, everybody, and welcome to Profit Mission Control. My name is Matt, and today I wanted to share with you information about our daily launch list process, what it means, and how you can use it as an idea generation for making profit over the next trading sessions. Every night we run our scanners to search for potential stocks that are showing good, profitable launch conditions. These conditions are purely based on technical analysis and are most heavily weighted towards recent price action. We are looking typically for stocks where there's a high probability that buyers will step in during the next few sessions, causing a spike in demand that translate to an increased price, which in a nutshell is our formula for profit making. We try to publish a list daily on our website. We put it also on Twitter and StockTwits, but we only do so if the market is looking favorable and our scanners have picked up equities that are worth watching. The launch list itself is simple, so let me walk you through it. First, we provide a launch target price, which is the price we believe a profitable launch is most favorable because the probability is high that buyers will step in. We will post a separate video in the near future to explain some of the technical analysis behind finding this level. Next is what we call the take profit at price. This target is based on recent buying and selling price levels. It doesn't mean you have to wait until that price is reached to take profits. That's purely a personal choice based on your risk tolerance, your profit desires, and position size. Depending on how volatile the price is, we may take our profits immediately even if it doesn't reach that target. We typically will wait about 5 minutes after the launch entry. So once this hits, then we wait 5 minutes. We start watching the chart. If the price remains above this trigger level here and the chart looks healthy, we will wait until the destination price is achieved before we even consider taking profits. We may even wait further if the chart is healthy and doesn't give it us, it's not giving us a reason to take all the profits out. So next is the most important piece of information on this launch list, which is what we call the abort at price. Not every launch will go our way, and this abort price is the absolute must sell price. If you've been trading for a while or you're a new trader, you know that mastering risk management is the number one key to extracting profit from the stock market. So the main thing is don't talk to yourself into staying below the abort price. Every penny in the red you wait for just gets you closer to danger. I cannot overemphasize the importance of respecting this abort price. If you get out, you can wait to see if the stock gets back to its launch at level and then re-enter. So the main thing, don't listen to your self-talk. Don't try to justify the loss. Just abort. Once you hit that level, you abort. Our next column is what we call the target profit. This simply is the expected profit percentage that could be extracted based on the launch at and profit at values. So like I mentioned before, this target here can change based on how the stock is behaving. You may be able to get more or less, but typically our launch plan is navigating to that level. So we're trying to hone on to that target profit level. We may achieve it, we may exceed it, we may go below it, but that's kind of our guidelines. And then last column is, I would say, the second most important piece of information we provide on the list. And that is the ratio of the target profit percent, so how much we can extract, this 9%, divided by the maximum allowable loss percentage based on the abort price. So that ratio represents the core of risk management. It tells us whether the trade we're entering has more reward than risk. For example, a ratio of 100% means that we expect to make as much profit as we may lose. So this doesn't sound very attractive because our win rate, which has to be more than 50% all the time to make any profit. So some traders might claim, or some trading strategies might claim, that their win rate is consistently above 50%, which may be true. But for us to be successful, we assume that we're only going to be correct 40% of the time. That's why we only consider launch conditions where this ratio is more than 150%. At that level or higher, we know that we could be wrong 60% of the time, yet still be profitable. So I hope you found this guide useful. If you'd like to subscribe to our daily launch list, you can use the link shown in the description section below. We also welcome your comments and questions. Happy profitable trading.